Hi, this is Krista at The Secret Yarnery. How did I end up in Kenya? Kenya is amazing. How did I end up here? The first time I came to visit my sister. She had been traveling in Japan and met a guy who was Kenyan, and she fell in love, moved to Kenya, and I came to visit her. She'd already lived here for 5 or 7 years. She'd already lived here for quite a while. So I came to visit her, I fell in love with it also. It's amazing. The weather is great, the people are great, the food is great, the lifestyle is great. I fell in love with it, extended my trip by 3 weeks or a month or something like that, with the resolution to go home, work hard for a year, and then come back and take a year off, like extended holiday. So I did that. I went back to Vancouver where I was living and started going to auctions at the University of Washington. They have an auction, or they used to have an auction every 6 weeks. So I would go down there and I bought used computers. I got some other really cool stuff there too. It's amazing. So I drive down from Vancouver I'd rent a U-Haul, just because you don't know what you're gonna buy. You don't know what they're gonna be selling. Ended up buying a whole bunch of computers, whole bunch of like computery officey stuff, photocopiers, blah, 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 and then shipped them to Kenya. So the idea was my container would come, I'd sell that stuff, so I'd have some money to live while while I enjoyed it and relaxed for a year. Then I met my husband. He bought all my computer stuff. Thank you. And we got married. We were married 10 months later. And I've been here ever since. So now we have a 12-year-old, which I think, I don't know, it's 15, 16 years we've been married. We have a 12-year-old, a 9-year-old, and 2 5-year-olds. One of my 5-year-olds is turning 6 in a couple weeks. But for right now, I have 2 5-year-olds. No, they're not twins. And I've been here ever since. I went back to Canada in 2004 to visit my grandmother and tidy up my business, I suppose. And then that's it. I've been here ever since. So love Kenya, love the people of Kenya, love the weather of Kenya, love living here. I think it's wonderful. Raising your kids here is great. It's like so much more old-fashioned. The school system is excellent. The value that kids put on school is excellent. Kenyan people and the Kenyan culture totally respects education. It's a desired thing, it's a wanted thing. Kids want to go to school, they want to learn. They want to do well, and they do well. So the pressure, not the pressure, but the importance put on education here is excellent. So I really do enjoy that, and I would really like to continue raising my children here, at least until they're finished school, and then for university they can go off and go to university wherever they'd like to. However, up until then, I would like them taught, educated, raised in Kenya. Love it. No, they have not seen snow. That is something that they ask a lot. They're like, what's a snowball fight? Like, is it fun? I'm like, So that is something, that's like the one thing that is not replaced, I suppose, or upgraded from living here. So that's still on our list of things to do. So that is how I moved to Kenya, and that is why I'm in Kenya, and that's why I love Kenya. Some of the reasons why I love Kenya. The other reasons we will see when I show you bits and bobs of our crochet vacay in February. Because traveling around here, the beach, everything is just so wonderful and marvelous. So I can't wait to share that with you also. So thank you so much for watching, everybody. Hope you're having a super great day, and stay hooked. Hi, this is Krista at The Secret Yarnery. How did I end up in Kenya? Blah, 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 blah.